So let us discuss today about the doors, windows, and ventilator. So, what is the door? We have to understand what is this door. Door is defined as door is defined as an openable barrier, openable barrier secured in a wall opening. Okay, it serves as a connecting link between the various internal partition of a building. Okay, so this is the definition of door. It is defined as openable barrier, okay, secured in a wall opening. It serves as a connecting link between the various internal partition of a building. Okay, so this is the definition of a door. Okay, so basically what the door consists of is frame and shutter. Frame door consists of basically frame and shutter. Okay, so now so let us discuss this in detail further. Now let us discuss what are the important consideration for doors. So first important consideration is the location of the door. Location of the door. Okay, now the location of a door should meet functional requirement of a room. First thing is the location of door should meet functional requirement of a room. It should not be located in the center of the length of a wall. Why it should not be located at the center of the wall is, for example, when you open the door, it should not form hindrance for the people who are sitting inside. Okay, so that is why it should not be placed at the center of the wall. Okay, preferably it should be located near the corner of a room. Okay, for example, if you open the door, the panel of the door should be against the wall, whereas as if you place the door in the center of the wall, what will happen is the panel of the door will be inside the room, okay, which will cause hindrance for the movement inside. Okay, so this is the location of the door is very important. First point is the door should be placed, the door should not be placed, the door should not be located in the center of the wall. The door should not be located in the center of the wall. Preferably it should be located at the corner. Okay, so this is the first criteria, that is location of door. Now the second so one more point in the location of door is number of doors should in a room should be kept minimum. Okay, there should be minimum number of doors. Okay, if there are more number of if there are more number of doors, it will cause obstruction and reduce the effective usable carpet area of the room. Okay, so this is the second point you have to consider. For example, let us say if there are two doors in a room, two doors, if there are two doors, the doors should be placed located on opposite walls. Doors should be located on opposite walls. One second. हेलो, वालेकुम सलाम. थर्ड सेम क्या? थर्ड सेम आज इसमें नहीं है, नहीं टाइम टेबल में शायद तुम्हारे क्या? हाँ, ऐसा करते हैं, आते हैं क्या? आज क्या थर्सडे है आज? अच्छा ठीक है, लो कल देखेंगे फ्राइडे के दिन. हाँ हाँ, आज आज देखो ये करो, कल बात करता हूँ कॉलेज में. If there are two doors in a room, if there are two doors in a room, the door should be kept door should be located in opposite walls. Okay. Now let us discuss what should be the size of the door. Second criteria is size of the door. So basically the size which we adopt for door is 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter, 1 meter by 2.1 meter, 0.9 meter by 2.1 meter. Okay, and then 0.8 meter by 2.1, 0.7 meter by 2.1. Okay, if the door is main door, we go for this. Okay, for secondary doors we adopt 1 meter by 2.1 meter or 0.9 meter by 2.1 meter. And then for doors, for the bathrooms, for bathroom and lavatory, we go for 0.8 meter by 2.1 meter or the 0.7 meter by 2 meter. Okay, so these are the size openings of the door which we have to keep in mind. So there are certain technical terms used in the door which we should be aware of. Okay, so the technical terms first is frame. Frame is nothing but assembly of horizontal and vertical members forming an enclosure to which shutters are fixed. Okay, frame is the assembly of horizontal and vertical members forming an enclosure to which shutters are placed. Okay, so this is the frame. Okay, now what is shutter? The entire assembly of styles, panels and rails is known as shutters. Okay, we will discuss, we'll draw and see what are all these things, but for now the entire assembly of styles, panels and rails is known as the shutter. Okay, third one is head. The top or uppermost horizontal part of frame is known as head. The top or uppermost horizontal part of frame is known as head. Okay. Next one is top rail. What is this top rail? This is the topmost horizontal member of a shutter. This is the topmost horizontal member of a shutter. Okay. Then lock rail. This is the middle horizontal member of a door shutter to which locking arrangement is fixed. Okay, this is the middle horizontal member of a door shutter to which locking arrangement is fixed. Then we have bottom rail. This is the lowermost horizontal member of a shutter. This is the member of a shutter. Okay, so this is bottom rail, and then we have panels. This is the area of shutter enclosed between adjacent rails. This is the area of shutter enclosed between adjacent rails. Now we have horn. Horizontal projection of head and sill of a frame. Okay, horn is nothing but horizontal projection of head and sill of a frame. Hold fast. Hold fast is nothing but mild steel flat bar, mild steel flat bar of section 30 mm by 6 mm and length of 200 mm. Okay. Rebate. Rebate is nothing but the depression made inside the door frame to receive the door shutter. Okay, the depression made inside the door frame to receive the door shutter. So now let us see how the component of door are drawn. Okay. This is a rough sketch just to have an idea over here. Okay. So this is your head, this is the top rail. Okay, so this is your style. This projection outside, is called as horn. Now this is your lock rail. Here you also find hold fast. Hold fast is also will be in the lock rail itself. This is your bottom rail. Okay, so this is the panel of the door. The entire assembly, horizontal and vertical assembly, is called as frame. Okay, so these are the components of your door. These are the components.